Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the Google Slides. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google. And now we have to search for the Google Slides. So I'm going to write the Google Slides here. So let's write this and then we have to press the enter. As you can see now the Google Slides is here. Now firstly we have to sign up on this. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, I've already signed in. My email is provided here. Now the Google Slide is open. Now as you can see, it looks like a PowerPoint. If you want to create a presentation, then you can use the Google Slide. So as the Google Slide, as you can see, the all options are provided here. The file menu is here. If you want to use these options, you can also do that. The edit menu is also provided here. And as you can see, if you want to import any kind of theme or whatever you want to import, you can also do that. These are the templates. If you want to use these templates, you can also use these templates. If you want to import any template, you can also do that. You have to click on the import theme, and after that you have to select the theme, that which theme you want to import. So I'm going to cut this one, and after that, as you can see, these different types of themes are provided here. If you want to use this one, for example, I'm going to click on this and this theme will be added. As you can see, now it's added. Now if you want to use this, if you want to edit this, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to write name here, the computer, and now as you can see, click to add subtitle. For example, I'm going to write here by Safir Raza. So in this way you can use the Google Slide. These are the basics of the Google Slide. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can open the Google Slides and make presentations for yourself. So see you guys in the next video.